Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a BMW E46, guys, this is the 3 Series from years 1998 to 2006, and you have a Touring, okay, this is known as a station wagon as well, and you're trying to find the fuse, guys, for the rear window wiper, stay with us and we'll show you where that fuse is located. We guys have more than 200 videos on a BMW E46. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. So let's start on the process now. So the fuse, guys, okay, is in the fuse box, okay, which is located, okay, you need to open your glove box. Right here you have two white things that you need to open like that. Okay, check it out how simple that is. And the fuse box drops down. You have two fuses, guys, that you need to check. Now, one will be on the first row, the other one will be on the second row. You can see the first row, the numbers are listed on top. The second row, the numbers will be engraved on the bottom here. So, the first fuse, guys, that you need to check, okay, for the rear wiper, this is only for the Touring models, some of you that are trying to find that, is fuse number 15, guys. Okay, and fuse number 15, okay, will be this fuse right here, the first fuse next to the fuse puller on the left side. So if you need to check it, guys, grab the puller, pull the fuse, okay, like that. You can check it out if it's good or not, most of the times you can tell. You can find, guys, in the description of the video below where we get our replacement fuses from for a really affordable price, guys. The second fuse that we have will be, okay, fuse number 45, guys. Okay, fuse number 45, and this fuse actually, okay, let me check, it needs to be 20 amp fuse. Okay, it needs to be a 20 amp fuse. I have one right here, ours is missing. Okay, so that's where the fuse is supposed to be. Okay, right there. This is, guys, okay, this is fuse number 45. That's for the rear wiper right here. So check this one as well if you have problems with the rear wipers, two fuses, guys. And later, when you're ready, all you have to do, install your fuse puller here, don't forget to do that, and close your box. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos, and see you guys next time.